Converting fractions into decimals.
Decimals and fractions help us count parts of a whole. They can represent the same amount just in different ways. In this video, we will show you how to convert fractions to decimals. Let's take a look at how this is done. This pizza has been very meticulously cut into tenths. One portion is 1/10 of the whole pizza. If we interpret this amount as a decimal, the pizza is still cut into 10 equal pieces, but we would say that one portion is 0.1 of the whole pizza. 1/10 of a pizza and 0.1 of a pizza look exactly the same. The reason for this is that they are equivalent. 1/10 is the same as 0.1. 1/10 is written as a fraction with a numerator and a denominator. 0.1 is written as a decimal fraction with a decimal point. Knowing that there are multiple ways to represent the same thing can really help us when it comes to converting fractions to decimals and vice versa. This is a grid showing 3/100ths. Does it represent the fraction or the decimal? It represents both. We can write 3/100ths as the fraction 3 over 100 or as the decimal 0.03. Alright, time to go back to the pizza shop. Take a look at this half of a pizza. If it had the same portion sizes as our earlier pizza, which had been cut into tenths, it would look like this. We can now see that the amount of pizza we have left is not only represented by the fraction 1/2, it can also be represented by the fraction 5/10, or the decimal 0.5. This shows us that 1/2 and 0.5 are equivalent amounts. Notice that what we have done is turn the fraction 1/2 into an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 10. We have done this by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator of 1/2 by 5. This helped us recognise the equivalent decimal much more quickly than when the denominator was 2. Question time! Amira and Marcel have been asked to wash the plates in the school kitchen. There are 100 plates, and 3/4 of them are still dirty. How would you write the portion of dirty plates as a decimal? To answer this question, we need to convert 3/4 to a decimal fraction. Decimals are fractions with a denominator that is a power of 10, such as tenths, hundredths, or thousandths. We cannot convert 3/4 to tenths, as 10 is not a multiple of 4, but we can convert it to hundredths. We can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 25 to convert 3/4 to a fraction out of 100. 4 multiplied by 25 is 100, and 3 multiplied by 25 is 75. 3/4 is therefore equal to 75 hundredths. The decimal equivalent of 75 over 100 is 0.75. If we look at the image, we can see that 75 out of the 100 plates are dirty, which is the same as 3/4. 3/4 is equal to 0.75. Remember, to convert a fraction to a decimal, we can try to make the denominator a power of 10, which we can do by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator of the original fraction by the same amount. Once we have done this, it will be much easier to recognise the equivalent decimal.